If you own a BMW, what I'm about to show you could save you from making a mistake that costs thousands of dollars. And I'm not talking about just any mistake. I'm talking about the kind that can turn your ultimate driving machine into your ultimate financial nightmare. Stay with me, because mistake number 3, most BMW owners don't even know they're making it until it's too late. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, because we're diving deep into the real talk about BMW ownership. The stuff your dealer won't tell you. The expensive lessons that other owners have learned the hard way so you don't have to. BMWs are incredible machines. The engineering, the performance, that perfect 50-50 weight distribution. It's automotive poetry. But here's the reality. BMWs are precision machines. And precision machines demand precision care. Make the wrong move, and you're not just looking at a repair bill. You're looking at a catastrophe that could cost anywhere from $3,000 to over $15,000. Today, we're covering 5 critical mistakes that BMW owners make every single day. These aren't just best practices or nice-to-have tips. These are the mistakes that will empty bank accounts and leave owners with cars worth a fraction of what they paid for them. Let's get started. Mistake number 5. Ignoring the cooling system. Here's what most people don't understand. In a BMW, especially models from 2006 onwards, the cooling system isn't just a bunch of hoses and coolant. It's an intricate network of plastic components, sensors, and precisely calibrated parts that are working under intense pressure and temperature fluctuations. And those plastic parts, they have a shelf life. The expansion tank, the thermostat housing, the water pump, these aren't lifetime components, even though they might last for years. The problem is when they fail, they don't just fail gradually, they fail catastrophically. Imagine you're driving down the highway. Maybe you're heading to work, maybe you're on a road trip, and suddenly, your temperature gauge spikes. Steam starts pouring from under the hood. You pull over, but the damage? It's already done. When your BMW overheats, you're not just looking at replacing a failed part. You're potentially looking at a warped cylinder head, a blown head gasket, or worse, complete engine failure. The cost? A new expansion tank might run you $50 to $100. A water pump replacement, maybe $800 to $1,500, if you catch it during preventative maintenance. But a warped cylinder head or blown engine? You're looking at $5,000 to $15,000, possibly more, depending on your model. Here's what you need to do. Follow BMW's maintenance schedule, but also understand that certain plastic cooling components should be replaced preventatively every 60,000 to 80,000 miles. Yes, even if they look fine. If you own an E90, E60, or F30 model, this is especially critical for you. Watch for warning signs, coolant leaks under the car, a sweet smell from the engine bay, or fluctuating temperature readings. Don't wait until you see steam. By then, it's too late. Mistake number 4. Using the wrong oil or skipping oil changes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oil is oil, right? As long as it's the right weight, I'm good. Wrong. BMWs, particularly those with turbocharged engines, or the N54, N55, or B58 power plants, require very specific oil formulations. We're talking about oils that meet BMW's LL01, LL04, or LL14 specifications. These aren't marketing terms. These are engineering requirements. Here's why this matters. Modern BMW engines run hotter and tighter tolerances than engines from even a decade ago. The oil in your BMW isn't just lubricating. It's cooling critical components, cleaning microscopic deposits, and maintaining precise clearances between moving parts. Use the wrong oil, and you're creating friction where there should be protection. You're allowing deposits to build up where there should be cleanliness. Over time, and we're talking maybe 20,000 to 30,000 miles, you're setting yourself up for catastrophic engine damage. And then there's the oil change interval debate. BMW's condition-based servicing might tell you can go 10,000, 12,000, even 15,000 miles between oil changes. And technically, under ideal conditions, the oil might last that long. But here's the question. Are you driving under ideal conditions? Do you make short trips? Do you sit in traffic? Do you live in a hot climate or a cold one? Do you drive spiritedly? You know, the way a BMW is meant to be driven? If you answered yes to any of these, you're not in ideal conditions. You're in what engineers call severe duty, and that means your oil is breaking down faster than the computer thinks it is. The cost of using cheap oil or extending your intervals? Eventually, you're looking at failed rod bearings, scored cylinders, or complete engine seizure. A rod bearing element replacement on a BMW can run $4,000 to $8,000. A full engine replacement? We're talking $10,000 to $20,000 or more. Here's your action plan. Use only BMW approved oils that meet the proper LL specification for your engine. And regardless of what your iDrive tells you, change your oil every 7,500 miles maximum, or once a year, whichever one comes first. Your engine will thank you with decades of reliable service. Mistake number 3, neglecting the transmission and differential fluids. Here's something BMW dealerships don't always advertise. When BMW says lifetime fluid, they're talking about the warranty period or the expected service life of the vehicle as determined by their accountants and engineers. They're not talking about the life of a vehicle that owners want to keep running smoothly for 150,000, 200,000, or even 300,000 miles. This mistake destroys more BMWs than almost anything else on this list. Here's what happens. Someone buys a BMW. Maybe it's a 5 Series, maybe an X3, maybe a 3 Series with the ZF8 Speed Automatic. They drive it for 80,000, 100,000, 120,000 miles. The transmission has been flawless, smooth shifts, responsive, exactly what you'd expect from a BMW. And then, one day, you feel it. A slight hesitation, a hard shift from second to third. Maybe the transmission hunts between gears on the highway. By the time you feel these symptoms, the damage has already begun. Transmission fluid doesn't just lubricate, it provides hydraulic pressure for the clutch packs and valve body. Over time, this fluid breaks down. It gets contaminated with tiny metal particles from normal wear. It loses its friction modifying properties. When that happens, shifts get harsher. Clutch packs start slipping. Heat builds up, and heat is the enemy of transmissions. The same goes for your differential. That lifetime gear oil, it's filled with metal shavings and has lost its protective properties after 50,000 miles. Even though it might last to 100,000 before you notice anything wrong. The cost of neglecting this? A transmission rebuild or replacement on a BMW runs $4,000 to $8,000. A differential replacement? $2,000 to $4,000. And these are conservative estimates. Here's what the experts actually recommend. Change your automatic transmission fluid every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. Change your differential fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Yes, it costs money, maybe $400 to $600 for the transmission, $200 to $350 for the differential. But compare that to a $6,000 transmission replacement. This is the cheapest insurance you can buy for your BMW's drivetrain. Don't believe the lifetime myth. Service these fluids and your BMW will reward you with smooth, reliable performance for hundreds of thousands of miles. Mistake number 2. Ignoring warning lights and assuming they're just a sensor. Let's be clear about something. BMW's engineers didn't put 50 plus sensors throughout your vehicle just for fun. Every warning light, every error code, every message on your iDrive is there because something is operating outside of normal parameters. Now, does that mean every single warning light is an immediate catastrophe? No, but it means you need to pay attention. Here's what commonly happens. A check engine light comes on. Maybe it's the dreaded drivetrain malfunction message. The owner drives to AutoZone, gets a free code scan, and it shows something like Bank 1 Oxygen Center Slow Response. Oh, it's just a sensor, they think. I'll deal with it later. 3 months later, that sensor issue has caused the catalytic converter to fail because the engine was running rich the whole time. Now, instead of a $200 oxygen sensor replacement, you're looking at $2,000 to $4,000 for catalytic converters. Or consider this scenario. Your pad brake wear light comes on. I just changed them, you think. Must be a faulty sensor. But what if it's not? What if one caliper is sticking and actually grinding through the pads on one side? Ignore it long enough, and you're not just replacing pads. You're replacing rotors, calipers, and possibly damage to the wheel hub. A $300 brake job just became a $1,500 nightmare. Here's the critical concept. Warning lights are early warning systems. They're telling you about a problem when it's still small, still manageable, still relatively affordable to fix. BMW's systems are interconnected. A small issue in one system can cascade into multiple systems. That minor coolant sensor error, it might cause the engine to run in a safety mode that impacts fuel economy and performance. That ABS light, it could disable your dynamic stability control, putting you at risk in an emergency maneuver. Your action plan is simple but critical. When a warning light appears, get it diagnosed by someone who knows BMWs. Not just any mechanic, someone with BMW diagnostic software who can read the full fault code memory and understand what's actually happening. Sometimes it really is just a sensor, but sometimes that sensor is warning you about a problem that will cost thousands if you ignore it. Don't gamble with your BMW. Warning lights are not suggestions. They're warnings. Treat them accordingly. Mistake number 1, delaying or skipping preventative maintenance. This is the mistake that separates people who drive their BMWs for 200,000 trouble-free miles from people who end up with a beautiful lawn ornament at 90,000 miles. Here's the harsh truth about BMW ownership. These cars are not Toyotas or Hondas. I'm not saying that as an insult, it's just physics and engineering philosophy. BMW builds cars for performance, precision, and driver engagement. That means tighter tolerances, more complex systems, and more components that need regular attention. When you skip that scheduled inspection, when you delay replacing those motor mounts, when you ignore the service bulletin about the valve cover gasket, you're not saving money. You're borrowing from your future self, with interest. Here's exactly how this plays out. Someone owns a BMW 335i with the N54 engine. At 60,000 miles, their independent mechanic recommends replacing the water pump, thermostat, and serpentine belt as preventative maintenance. Total cost, about $1,200. The car's running fine, you think. I'll wait until something actually breaks. Fast forward 20,000 miles. You're on the highway and the water pump fails. Not only do you need the water pump now, but the engine overheated before you could pull over. Now you're looking at the water pump, plus a head gasket, plus machine work on the cylinder head, plus the tow, plus the rental car. Final bill? $4,500 to $6,000, all to save $1,200. But it gets worse. Now your BMW has overheating event in its history. When you go to sell it or trade it in, that's going to impact the value. A pre-purchase inspection will reveal it. You've just cost yourself thousands more in depreciation. Preventative maintenance isn't about spending money. It's about spending wisely. It's about replacing parts on your schedule, under controlled conditions, before they fail at the worst possible time. Consider this. Most BMWs have what's called the service engine soon inspection intervals. These aren't oil changes. These are comprehensive inspections where a technician checks dozens of components, looking for wear patterns, leaks, and potential failures. These inspections might cost $200 to $400, but they can identify a $300 problem before it becomes a $3,000 disaster. Here's your ultimate BMW ownership strategy. Budget for maintenance. Set aside $100 to $150 per month specifically for your BMW's care. When a scheduled service comes up, you have the money. When a preventative replacement is recommended, you can make a smart decision based on the facts, not your current bank balance. Follow the maintenance schedule in your owner's manual. Build a relationship with a good BMW specialist or dealer. Keep records of everything. And when a qualified technician tells you something needs attention, listen. So there you have it. 5 expensive mistakes that BMW owners make every single day. This isn't meant to scare anyone away from BMW ownership. These are incredible machines. When properly maintained, they're reliable, engaging, and genuinely wonderful to drive. But they demand respect. They demand attention. They demand treatment like the precision instruments they are. Make these 5 mistakes and you'll join the ranks of people who say BMWs are money pits and never buy a BMW out of warranty. Avoid these mistakes, stay on top of maintenance, and you'll be one of those owners driving 200,000, 300,000 miles with nothing but smiles. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with other BMW owners who need to hear this message, and subscribe to the channel because there's more real-world BMW ownership advice coming. Drop a comment. Which of these mistakes have you made? Or, better yet, what expensive lesson did you learn about BMW ownership that others should know about? Until next time, keep your BMW maintained, keep it on the road, and enjoy the ultimate driving machine the way it was meant to be enjoyed.